everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. And also, my friends, I hope that you all are having a very happy, very healthy, and very positive life with your family, with your friends. So, my name is Purba. Those who are visiting me for the first time, I just want to tell you that I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. And my today's video is all about a very delicious and very healthy recipe, which is a very Bengali style recipe, I must say. We Bengalis love to eat fish, you already know. And today's recipe is Ilish mache shorshe bata or hilsa fish curry in mustard sauce. So my friends, one thing I want to tell you, probably you already know from my vlogs, that I'm very busy right now for Durga Puja preparation, and we are doing lot of programs in Durga Puja, so I'm very busy, but still I promised all my subscribers that I will post videos on Tuesday and Thursday, so that's why I made this a small video for you all. And this is my living room. From my living room I am saying hello to all of you, and my today's recipe is just perfect for this festive season. If you love fish, then definitely you are going to love this recipe. So let's start now. Here are the ingredients that I'll need to make today's very delicious and festive style Ilish recipe, hilsa fish recipe. First of all, here is the fish. Fish is a very good source of protein, and hilsa fish is loaded with lots of essential fatty acids, so it's good for your health too. Here is 2 pieces of green chili and mustard oil. Today I'll make it in mustard oil. And here is mustard paste. I made a paste out of it with little bit of salt and warm water. Here is yogurt or dahi. And here is turmeric powder, red chili powder and kalonji. Kalonji is a very important ingredient in this recipe. And now first of all I am heating up some oil. Here is approximately 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And this is a non-stick pan. Many of you have already asked about this pan. Yes, it's a non-stick pan. First here I am going to marinate my fish pieces with some turmeric and some salt. This particular fish, hilsa fish, lowers the cholesterol level, and also my friends, it's good for your brain and nervous system. So yes, it's good for your weight loss journey, and it's a very good and healthy form of protein, and for your overall health also it's very good. And now one by one I'm going to add my fish pieces in this pan, and be very careful because oil is very hot now. And within 2 to 3 minutes my fish will be ready, then I'll make the curry. And one thing, fish pieces are very soft and very gentle, so be very careful. Now it's ready, so I'll take it out from the oil. And now in the hot oil I have added some kalonji seeds or kalo jire, we can call it kalo jire in Bengali, and then 2 pieces of green chili or kacha lanka. So kalo jire and kacha lanka, these are very important ingredients. And now here I am adding my mustard paste into it. This recipe is actually very easy, and within just no time you can prepare this dish. After cooking the mustard paste for 2 minutes in low flame, now it's time to add the yogurt. And in yogurt I am mixing 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So yes, now my yogurt paste is ready too. And now it's time to add this in the mustard paste. And now I am mixing everything properly and thoroughly. And look at the color of the sauce or curry. It's looking very inviting and very tempting. And you have seen that within just no time we can prepare this dish. Yes, my friends, it's that easy. Very simple. Anybody can cook Ilish mache shorshe bata. Now this step is optional. If you have some shredded coconut in your kitchen, you can add it. Coconut actually adds lot of flavor and taste into the dish, and also it adds some nutritional value. So that's why I just love to add coconut into my dish. And now here I'm adding some water into it, some warm water. And this recipe is perfect with some piping hot steamed rice. So that's why this consistency is just perfect. And now here I'm adding my fish pieces into the curry. আমি মাছের পিসগুলোকে এই ঝোলের মধ্যে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এখন দেখতেই পাচ্ছ তোমরা। And then I'll cover the lid. I'll let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes in low to medium flame, and then my fish will be absolutely ready. ঠিক 5 মিনিটের মধ্যে আমার রান্নাটা হয়ে যাবে তৈরি। And here now I'm lowering the flame. So yeah, after 5 minutes, just look at my fish curry. It's looking absolutely delicious, super tempting and very, very inviting. And here is our typical Bengali style dinner platter is absolutely ready. You can serve it in lunch too. Especially in the festive days, we just love to celebrate that day with this kind of delicious recipes. And Ilish mach is a very auspicious fish in Bengali culture and tradition. In the day of Saraswati Puja, some people they love to eat Ilish mach. So if any of my subscriber you follow this tradition, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know that. তোমরা যদি কেউ সরস্বতী পুজোর দিন ইলিশ মাছ খেয়ে থাকো তাহলে প্লিজ আমাকে জানিও, আমার খুব ভালো লাগবে জানতে। And so my friends, I hope you have liked today's very simple, easy and delicious recipes. Durga Puja is around the corner. Within just 2 days, Puja will start. So I thought this is the perfect time to upload this video, and this is the perfect time to eat this kind of fish curry with rice, because this is a festive time. And also, as I told you in the beginning of today's video, that fish is a very good source of protein, and also it adds some nutritional value into your health. So yes, it's good. If you are on your weight loss journey, then also you can eat fish, but on that case you have to take little amount of rice. So 2 pieces of fish will be perfect, but with that you have to take very little amount of rice. So I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Please take care of your health, take care of your family, and also stay happy. And also I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So if you have enjoyed my today's recipe, please subscribe to my channel. And also I'll request you to see my other diet plan related videos, and also my recent Durga Puja related vlogs, because lots of festive vlogs are coming in my channel. Stay tuned, stay positive, keep smiling. Tata bye bye, love you.